Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use a green screen in CapCut, so let's begin. First of all, you need to open your CapCut application. After opening the application, you have to click on New Project. After clicking on New Project, here you need to allow it, or you can cancel it. It's up to you whether you allow or cancel it. After that, you need to select the background for your video. For example, this background here is the one I want to use in my video, so I'll select it from here. After that, you need to click on Add, and once you click Add, you have to wait for a little while. My video is in high quality, so that's why it's taking a bit longer to add here. After that, you need to do a small setting. You have to go into Effects. After going into Effects, you need to go to Video Effects. After going into Video Effects, you need to scroll down a bit and go to Lens. Once you're in Lens, you have to select this blur effect and click on it again. As soon as you do that, you need to adjust it according to your preference, whether you want to increase or decrease the blur effect. That's up to you. I'll set it to this level here. After that, you need to click on the tick or checkmark option, and then click on this blur layer to adjust it. Adjust it according to the video, based on the length of the video. So here, I'll do this, and I'll delete this ending part from here. What do you need to do next? After that, you need to go to the overlay section again and add an overlay from here. Then, you have to add this video, or whichever green screen video you have, from here. Now you can see that the compression has started, so let's wait a little bit. Now you can see that our video has appeared here. Now we need to adjust it. Grab it from here and here to adjust it, meaning zoom in on it as much as you need for your video. After that, you need to scroll just a little bit, very gently, to the left here, and you'll find the Remove BG option. Click on it, and then select this option called Chroma key. Click on this option, and then simply drag this option over to the background, this background right here, just like that, just like this. As soon as you drag it over, you'll see that the background has been removed from here. But notice that you can still see some green areas here. So what you need to do is adjust the intensity a little, try increasing it or decreasing it, and set it wherever it looks right to you. When I increase it, you can see that now it's fixed. Now I'll play the video to see how our video looks. See, our video has turned out like this, and this way you can change the background of the video or use its green screen. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.